Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook disable your account for 180 days. So first step you need to do is to open any browser and search here Facebook support, hit enter, and here you can see different options. Click on recover your account and here you can see different options. Select Chrome, click on just once. Okay, and once you are here you need to scroll down. So here you can see different information, so you simply need to click on no here, others, and here you need to submit your report. Click on hi Facebook, my account is blocked for 180 days and I did not violate any Facebook community guideline. Kindly help me recover my Facebook account. Here you need to add your name, your email, and then you need to click on submit. So in 24 to 48 hours, Facebook support team will contact you and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.